So I recently came back to the campus. The dry winters of Nagpur mixed with the heavy emotions of my final semester. I said to myself, Akash, things won't be the same ever again. You'll miss this place, you'll miss the friends, and you'll miss the campus.
You're a waterfall, I'm a fire. No surprise we don't go together.
Also, it's been really long since I've made a vlog, and also since I don't have any classes for today, I thought why not let's just show you for the very first time my campus and a day in my life as well. But before that, I need to wake up. तो भैया नागपुर में हो रखी बहुत ज़बरदस्त वाली ठंड, सो आई वोक अप अ बिट लेट एट अराउंड 9 AM in the morning. Just kidding, I wake up at around 11-12. 9 is early for me. The hostel mess usually closes at 9:30 AM in the morning, and I kinda skip my breakfast almost every day because of the 10 minutes की extra need. Not at all healthy, not at all recommended. But since I have my cricket practice today, so I need to go to the mess. So our cricket practice is usually in the evenings, but often at times we keep it in the morning as well. अभी क्योंकि हमारे टूर्नामेंट्स आ रहे हैं तो ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस चल रही है. Along with that, one thing which I like about VNIT the most is the ground and the sports facilities. Like I've visited a lot of different NITs and other colleges as well, and मुझे एक भी बार शक नहीं है ये बोलने को कि if you are a sports lover, VNIT is heaven for you.
अभी बैटिंग की प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करेंगे थोड़ी सी. और इस कैमरे की खास बात यही है, ये मैग्नेट है तो कहीं भी चिपक जाता है.
Cool. So now that I am back in my room for the next couple of hours before I go for lunch, I would like to majorly sit and edit the upcoming video. Now I usually edit the videos in very rage mode कि एक ही गो में जितना हो पाए खत्म कर दूँ, but majorly it turns out to be कि मैं parts में edit करता हूँ. For an example, ये जो 4-5 मिनट की videos आप देखते हो, it takes me anywhere around 3 to 5 days to edit it completely. Enough talking, let's go and start editing.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
Music. Keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back. I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong. Tell my thoughts to move along.
So now as the sun sets and the evening occurs, the students in my college mostly prefer to work on their priorities year-wise. For example, the first years will involve themselves in all the club activities, the second years will guide the freshers, and for the third and the final years, it's mostly about placements and internships. And for me in the evenings, I mostly work on my personal projects, and my personal work is really tough when you're going a bit away from the crowd. One thing which you have to really keep in mind is doing it with consistency and with discipline. Like think of anything, the last time you went to the gym, the last time you chose healthy food over junk, or even the last time you took a course to upskill yourself. Were you able to do it consistently with discipline and going at it every single day? Let me tell you something. अब in case तुम्हें Geeks for Geeks के बारे में नहीं पता, I have no clue which rock you're living under in case you're a college student. Now Geeks for Geeks, in order to help students develop consistency and master crazy coding skills, has launched their 390 challenge. अब सुन लो, तुम्हारा ही benefit है. Now for any course which you invest in the GFG platform in the month of January, if you're able to cover 90% of it in the 90 days from the date you have bought it, GFG will refund you 90% of the amount. अब इससे दो चीजें होती है. Let me explain. The first thing is very simple. तुमको 90% रिफंड मिल जाता है. You're saving up a lot of money on this. The second thing, क्योंकि आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो इस कोर्स पे, and being the professional procrastinator you are, for the very first time इस चैलेंज के चलते तुम अपने लाइफ में एक पर्टिकुलर कोर्स कवर करोगे एंड अपने आप को अपस्किल करोगे. And apart from that, no matter आप किस ईयर में हो, this is going to help you in your placements and internship journey as well, because you know the earlier the better. And what better time in this, in the month of January, in the very first month of the new year where this kind of offer and challenge is going on. Now I'm pretty sure you have the same resolutions for 2024 as well. The new year, new me, being consistent, disciplined, blah blah blah. So go out there, take the very first step, invest in yourself, invest in upskilling. The link is down there in the description. And also let me tell you, this offer is only valid for the month of January, तो जल्दी से कर लो. So now after my work is done, I like to go out in the campus, stroll a bit and see what's going out there. Surprisingly, आज जब मैं hostel के बाहर निकला, it started raining, but still, I'll show you around a bit in the campus before it gets dark.
दुख दर्द पीड़ा के साथ जीने का जो सहारा बना था वही दुख का कारण बन गया अभी मतलब।
Como éramos felices
ये चंदू है, चंदू दोस्त नहीं, चंदू कैंटीन का नाम है।
y estábamos contentos, pues contentos hasta el fin. Se fue, alejando